In this episode of Minute GarageBand, we're going to show you how to get a fuller sound through the layering and effecting of tracks. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to take a simple sound such as a hand clap or even a head smack and fatten it up to make it sound more like a master clapper effect. Some years back, we found a request for a hand clap, so we recorded a very simple one for anyone to use, and we're going to use that in this tutorial. We start out by importing that audio file into the GarageBand timeline by dragging and dropping it, and turning on the cycle region function so that we can listen to it as we fine-tune the project. The first thing we'll want to do is trim off the unneeded space at the beginning by zooming in and dragging the bottom left edge of the region. Now that we have the sample trimmed, we can move it back to the start of the timeline and resize the recycle bar. With the original sample properly set up, now we can duplicate it. Create a new basic track, and then duplicate the region by option dragging it into this new track. Since both tracks have identical sounds in phase with each other, the waveforms become additive, meaning that all we've done is make the sound louder, as you can see if we mute and unmute one track. In order to make the recording sound more full, we need to change one of the sounds. And in this case, we're going to change the pitch of the second sound using the AU pitch effect. Also, some frequency filtering to reduce noise, with some compression and limiting can be added to sweeten it. We've set up a project already tweaked so as to not waste time as we experimented with the parameters of the low-pass filter, compressor, peak limiter, and AU pitch to achieve the effect we desired. Here's the original sound, followed by the thickened and sweetened clap using multiple tracks and effects. And here are the actual pitch settings that we used on each of the tracks. Let us know in the comments if you're curious about this project file. If there's enough interest, we'll see about putting it online for anyone to examine. That's all we have for this episode. We hope you found it useful. And for more, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So long. I found myself while waiting on a train.
It started as a warrant on my bottom.
I looked around at no one else. I was wondering if there